Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for countryside theme and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and add this bang, and then we're going to go to the jeans area and then change the toggle. I'm going to remove the flower and then make it ripped. Okay, and we're going to move to the next area, wear this hat. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area, wear this necklace and this belly ring, and I'm going to add this earring as well. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. We're going to wear this item, this one. Okay, and the next one, go to the third area, select this item and also the sleeves, and change the toggle to 3. Okay, and wear this boots. Right, and move to this area and wear this item. Okay, and now it's time to match the color. For the shirt, I'm going to color it red. I'm going to go to the palette and color it this red, and also the sleeves. And if you want, you can change the material to add a detail. Okay, let me change the material to metallic. Okay, and for the shirt as well, I'm going to change it to metallic. And then for the earring, I'm going to color the second selection red. And then move to the necklace. I'm going to color it black. Alright, and the last one is the hat. I'm just going to color it this brown, or let's try black. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this brown. Okay, this one. And then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!